Alright, so I'm almost done the room. I'm up to the last row of planks and there's not enough room to fit a full board here, so I'm going to show you how I mark it out. So this is the side that I need to cut. So I'm going to have that face me. So I'm going to flip the board over and put it where it needs to go. Then I'm going to take a spare board and I'm going to line that up with the board and the course before it. So like this. Alright, so when I have it lined up like this, I'm going to make my mark. And that way I know how much I need to cut off and it's on the correct side. And now let's go outside and I'll show you how I cut this without a table saw. So what I have here is this is like a guide for my circular saw. There's lots of videos on YouTube that show you how to make one. So I just clamp this down to the line that I need to cut. I'm also making sure it's clamped down to the workbench too. And I just set the depth of my blade so it's not cutting too deep. And then I just rip it this way. Alright, let's see if it fits. With laminate, I always like to slide it back and forth a little bit just to make sure it's in the groove. I bring it right up to there. But these last pieces, you want to make sure that it's it's set in this click lock groove really nicely before you send it home, because it can be hard to get them back up to fix them. Now with these end pieces, this is the last piece I have to lay, except for some little stuff in the closet. So what I'll do is cut them down to length first, and then I'll rip them. And the way I get the length is so this is the side that needs to click into here. So I'm gonna turn the board over. I'm gonna put that side up against the wall. And then I'm carefully just going to mark where this board ends. Then that'll give me the length of it. Let's see if I left my Sharpie outside. No, I didn't. Alright. Alright, so this is the side that I have to cut off. So I'm going to put that side towards me. I have this scrap piece here that isn't quite long enough, but we'll make it work. So I'll line it up with this course, mark it out, and I'll cut this one the same way I cut the last one. I'm not going to record that again though, because you already saw it.